Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. You're watching Lyndon Houston Cooking. If you are new here, my name is Lyndon and welcome to the channel. Thanks for visiting and thanks for stopping by. Let's get into the video. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a simple tea but yet delicious. This tea is an all-time classic and comfort tea. So simple and easy to make. What you need is 1 tea bag in a cup, and then we're going to pour hot water over this. Normally you would use a bit of milk in it, like cow's milk or evaporated milk. But this time we're going to do this different. We're going to go in with some condensed milk in this. And this is an old classic way which I grew up on. Bit of condensed milk, ensure to sweeten it to your sweet. And not only that, adjust it, because you don't want to make it too sweet either. We're going to stir them. One of the next thing I'm going to add to this is just a little. And remember, adjust this to your suit. I'm adding a little bit of pink Himalayan salt for balance and texture. Just a little bit. Remember, adjust it to your suit. If you notice, I leave the tea bag in. Alright, we're going to remove the tea bag now. And trust me, you're going to try this and you're going to love it. Now, to finish this off, this is the main secret ingredients. Nutmeg, fresh nutmeg, grated over it. Very important. Next thing I'm going to add to this, some cinnamon. Bit of cinnamon just all over the top, that much. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Lovely, delicious tea. Nutmeg and cinnamon tea. Wow, delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.